Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine having one simple tool that lets you edit, summarize, translate, and even chat with your PDFs, all in one place. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to do that using PDFelement, one of the most powerful and intelligent PDF editors available. So, let's get started. Once you click on the link in the description, you'll land on the official PDFelement website. The interface is clean and easy to use. Simply click the free download button to get the setup file. After downloading, install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch PDFelement and you'll see its beautiful, user-friendly dashboard. Here you'll find multiple quick tools like Edit PDF, where you can edit text and images inside your file, Convert PDF, OCR PDF, Summarize PDF, Batch PDF, and more. To start editing, click Open PDF and select the document you want to work on. Once it opens, you can edit, modify, or organize it easily. On the left-hand side, you'll find tabs like Home, Comment, Edit, Convert, View, and Organize tools, each with its own function. Let's start with the Home section. Highlight important areas in different colors and use the Shape tool to add rectangles, circles, arrows, or lines. You can also use the Edit All button to make complete changes to your document. Now let's move to the Comment tab. Here, you can highlight any text, use the Pencil tool to draw freely, erase mistakes, or underline, strike through, or squiggle lines under important words. It's super easy to use and very helpful for reviewing documents. You can also add text boxes, callouts, or sticky notes anywhere on your PDF. Next, we have the Stamp tool, where you'll find different options such as standard business stamps like Approved, Draft, Final, and Completed, as well as signed stamps like Sign Here or Witness. You can resize and place stamps anywhere on your page. The Sign feature allows you to draw your own signature using your mouse or simply type your name. Then adjust and place it wherever you want. In the Edit tab, click Edit All and you can fully modify your document. Delete text, rewrite it, or change its style. You can bold, italicize, underline, or change font, color, and size easily. You can add watermarks to your PDF by clicking Add Watermark, typing your watermark text, choosing the font, color, and placement, then clicking Apply, and it will appear on all pages. You can even add background colors or images to make your PDF more professional. Next, in the Convert tab, you can convert your PDF into different formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, text, and more. For example, to convert a PDF into Word, click Word, select the Output folder, name your file, and hit OK. In seconds, your PDF turns into an editable Word file. In the View tab, you can adjust reading layout, switch view modes, rotate pages, and change background color easily. The Organize tab helps manage pages. Extract, split, insert, crop, rotate, or delete them to structure your PDF perfectly. Under Tools, you'll find quick access to advanced options like OCR, file compression, page numbering, and batch processing features. In the Protect tab, you can secure your PDF with passwords. Click Encrypt, set an open password or permission password to restrict editing or copying, and then save. Your file is now fully protected. Now, let's explore the most exciting part, PDFelement's AI tools. Here you can chat with AI, chat with PDF, summarize, translate, check grammar, and detect AI writing. Chat with PDF lets you ask questions directly about your document, like summarize it, explain sections, or find key information. Chat with AI allows you to ask general questions about any topic, right inside PDFelement. The Summarize section in PDFelement is an amazing AI-powered feature that helps you quickly understand long PDFs without reading every page. You can even ask follow-up questions like, "What are the key points?" or "Summarize Chapter 2," and it will give accurate answers within seconds. This tool is perfect for students, professionals, and researchers who want to save time while reviewing large reports, ebooks, or study material. Next, try the Translate feature. Select any paragraph. Choose your source and target languages. For example, from English to Japanese, and PDFelement instantly translates it. Then, there's the Grammar Check feature. Paste your paragraph, click Check, and PDFelement highlights grammar or spelling mistakes. You can fix and replace them instantly. If you want to try it yourself, the link is available in the description. Go download PDFelement and explore its amazing features. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI tools and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.